Exploring the Supermarket in German, a comprehensive guide for beginners. Greetings, language learners. In this video series, we delve into the world of German for beginners. In our previous lesson, we explored vocabulary related to vacations. Today, we shift our focus to the supermarket, covering essential words and structures. Supermarket vocabulary. Let's start with some key words you'll encounter in a German supermarket. Supermarkt, the supermarket. Einkaufswagen, the shopping cart. Einkaufstie, the shopping bag. Kund singular, Kunden plural. Customer s. Cash, cash registerpenskunk. Understanding Papa tank. Harrier Semeteramanstate kilo, kilogram. Gram, gram. Milliliter. Remember, some items bank, and Elin Kuntisult, fand, deposit. Losware Lusaitem shopping pail. Learn Hotanavi Gast, Ichkauf, Yambuing, Impt. I would like. Waffendijk, where can I find? Wie elkestides, how much do es this gets? Section Synthesuderp. Familiar is overschaf, im Abstriegel, int the fruit section, ander Fleischsteak, at the meat counter, beiden Jerken, int hedring Sesel, expressing gratistilled. After Mac and Jorschapirsch, express gratitude, dank, thank you, bit, please bisbald, see you soon, congratulations, you've taken astapate, practice ethicifres, explore differentiant, and dot for gonten thank. For Adalia Werfizeth rather than other their visitor Patreon pay. Danke for joining us, and happy learning.